What's up, guys? John from johnmcneil.com here, and we're going to jump right into this video. A few weeks ago, I actually created a video on how to generate money with Clickbank, and within that video, I actually reviewed a product called the 12-minute affiliate. Now, since I posted that video, I've been getting a lot of emails and a lot of messages regarding the 12-minute affiliate product. So today, I wanted to re-review that product with you guys and kind of answer some of those common questions that I've been getting. So the first thing I wanted to do is actually talk to you guys about what it actually takes to make money with Clickbank, because there's 4 different things that you have to have in order to make money with Clickbank or any other affiliate product for that matter. So the first thing you're going to need is a high converting product, a product that people actually want to buy. You're going to need a sales funnel, something to convert traffic into leads, into sales. And then you're going to need a great follow-up message, again, to convert those leads into sales. Getting those emails every single day, consistently giving messaging, motivating people to click on the links and buy the products. And then lastly, of course, you need high quality traffic. So without those 4 things, you're going to struggle to make money with Clickbank or any other affiliate product. Now, the 12-minute affiliate product encompasses all those 4 different things. And so that's what I want to re-review with you guys today. So let's go to jump right into it. All right, guys, so I'm here in the back office of the 12-minute affiliate program. Now, the reason why they call it the 12-minute affiliate program is not because you're going to make money within 12 minutes. That would just be absurd. But the reason why they call it a 12-minute affiliate program is you're able to set up your whole Clickbank campaign within 12 minutes. So basically, when you get access to this system, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to set up your account. And then you're going to set up your autoresponders, and then you're going to activate your 12-minute affiliate funnels. So when you first get started, you have the option of selecting between 3 different niches. You have the home-based business, kind of the make money online niche. You have the health and fitness niche, and you have the personal development niche. So you can actually choose between those 2 niches. Now, they give you the option to sell about 10 different Clickbank products. Now, you can go on Clickbank yourself and pull out the products that you want, or they have options that down here where it says top affiliate products, you can click on that, and then they give you the top affiliate products that are selling on Clickbank right now. So I can actually go over to weight loss, and it gives me the top affiliate products right now. It kind of gives me the average sale. It gives me the rebills here. So these are the products that are actually selling on Clickbank as we speak. So you can either go get products yourself and put them into that 12-minute campaign, or you can just pull the products that they have there here in the system that are already selling, that are proven to sell. They've actually done all the research and they know that these products are selling. So those are your options. You can also sell any other affiliate product that you want. So if there's another product in the personal development niche or the health and fitness niche that you want to sell through this system, you can. So you're not just tied to specific Clickbank products. So a lot of people were asking me that question. So if you have another product you want to sell, there's another business opportunity you want to implement in this system, you can implement it in this system. And I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to sell, all of these different products. So the next thing they have is a done for you setup option. So what they will basically do is set up your whole system where you have your sales funnel linked to your autoresponder where all the messages are set up. That's connected to your Clickbank account. So all of this stuff can be set up for you. And again, that's optional. You can do it yourself. They have really good training back here and step-by-step training and people that will actually walk you through the system when you first sign up. But they also have a done for you option as well. And then the last thing is they have done for you traffic. And I'll actually show you guys that in a minute. But one of the questions that I kept getting about the done for you traffic is, do I have to purchase the traffic packages that they have in 12-minute affiliate? And the answer is no. There's an option there because what they're trying to do is actually make it extremely easy for you to get traffic to your pages, but you can get your traffic from anywhere you want. So let's go ahead and just look through this again. So I already kind of showed you guys where you can kind of click on top affiliate products, and that shows you like all the top products that are selling on Clickbank. So you can pick any of those products, or you can go to Clickbank and pick the products that you want. The next thing you want to do is you have the option of picking either one of these niches or all of these niches. So what the system is set up for is when you first started, you can get one niche. And I believe that's $47 a month if you pick one of these niches. So if you wanted the home-based niche or the weight loss niche or personal development niche, if you just wanted one, that's going to be $47 a month. Now, if you wanted to get all three niches and have access to all of those funnels, that's $97 a month. So I really hate talking about prices in my videos because sometimes things are subject to change. But as of me making this video, that's the way this program is working right now. So in the event that I wanted to do the weight loss niche, I would just go ahead and click on that. And then I have the option to do instant funnels or custom funnels. And then I can click on instant funnels. And like I stated, one of the things that you need to have if you want to sell, Clickbank products is you got to have a squeeze page, right? So we already addressed the first thing of having high converting products. So this program actually pulls high converting products right into the system. Now, the next thing is, how do I get my squeeze page up and running? Well, they make it very easy for you because they give you 10 different squeeze pages that you can choose from. And you can see here, these squeeze pages are, very nice looking. They'll convert. And if you want to see the squeeze page, you just click on this link here. I've already pulled up one. And here's like an example of what one of the squeeze pages look like in the health and fitness industry. And I mean, look at this page. I mean, it's beautiful. It's eye-catching. It's something that I think that if I wanted to lose a lot of weight, this would motivate me to enter my email address into this form, right? So we talked about picking a high converting product, which this program will actually give you the high converting products. We talked about sales funnels, which this program gives you 10 sales funnels per niche, depending on which one you choose. Now, the next thing we want to talk about is the follow-up emails, because this is where you're really going to make a lot of your money at, is in the follow-up email campaigns. Now, if I go over to my Aweber, I'm actually in the list of my 12-minute fitness campaign, and you can see here that I have a ton of emails, right? I mean, it goes on and on and on and on and on. And I have about 80 different messages in my email autoresponder. Now, this is the important thing, guys, because what a lot of people don't understand is that the money is in the follow-up and consistently, messaging the people that are on your list with the different offers, right? So these emails are professionally written. They have great subject lines. A lot of them have some good content in there that kind of gives them some content, which is going to motivate them to go ahead and click the link and send them back to these high converting products that was already set up in your system. So if you look at some of these subject lines, they're definitely eye-catching and kind of get your attention. So being fat is a good thing. Here's why. I mean, that would make me click on that email. You're just big bone. Are you kidding me? So these are great, enticing emails that are going to get people to open up the emails and ultimately click on the links to buy your products. And again, you have like 80 different follow-ups, and this is per niche. You can get all of these follow-ups, and you can go in here and you can edit these if you want to. You can tweak them. You can add to these. You can do whatever you want. It's your business, right? So we have the high converting products. We have the squeeze pages. We have the follow-up emails that are professionally written by a copywriter that knows what they're talking about. I mean, you can see the subject lines in here, and they're enticing, and it's going to get people to open up. The last thing you need is traffic. So we talked about that fourth thing of getting traffic to your sales funnel, which makes this whole thing work. So if I pop back over to 12-minute affiliate, I've already clicked on the done for you traffic, which is basically the last component that you're going to need to make this whole thing work, is getting some quality traffic. And what 12-minute affiliate has done is they've actually created some traffic packages for you to actually purchase. Now, these are real targeted visitors, people that are interested in, health and fitness and personal development and make money online, that you can actually purchase through this system. And the reason why they gave you this option to purchase traffic packages is they wanted to make it super easy for a newbie that is just coming in to be able to, get a sales funnel, to get the high converting products, to have the follow-up email messages written for them, and then just be able to just order the traffic and send the visitors directly to the website. So, but you're not obligated to purchase these actual traffic packages? I got this question a ton of times via email, and people were just saying that the traffic packages are expensive, but the whole program looks good. You don't have to buy their particular traffic packages. In fact, I'll actually link to a couple solo ad videos where I show you how you can go out and find, solo ad vendors that will actually give you traffic that you can buy traffic to your particular sales funnel if you decide to get 12-minute affiliate. So you're not bound by their actual traffic packages. They are there if you want to use them, but you're not bound by that. So that is basically the 4 components with 12-minute affiliate. You have your sales funnels, you have your products, you have your follow-up emails that I just showed you in Aweber, and then you have your done for you traffic packages. So the last thing I want to mention with 12-minute affiliate is the support. So I mentioned in that last video that the support with this program is bar none the best that I've ever seen in my life. And I'm not just saying that. When you join 12-minute affiliate, you actually get a phone call. Somebody calls you on the phone and walks you through the system. So they're going to go step by step, and walk you through the entire system. Also, they give you a customer service phone number, so you can actually pick up the phone and call somebody. So if you have questions about setting up your system, you have questions about traffic, you have questions about products, you have questions about anything, you can literally pick up the phone and talk to somebody. The person, they live here in the US, you can talk to somebody, and of course they have email support as well. The next thing they have is a thriving Facebook group where you have all the members in there, and they have live trainings every week, and there's a lot of newbies, I mean spanking brand newbies, that are making their very first sales. It's actually pretty amazing in all of these different niches. So there's a lot of people making, their first sales, hundreds and thousands of dollars even with this program in the multiple niches. So if you struggle with making money with Clickbank or any other affiliate marketing products, this might be something you want to take a closer look at, especially if you struggle, with getting sales funnels created or creating emails and your whole email marketing campaign. This is a good way to kind of get everything off the ground and have everything done for you. And of course, you can tweak anything within the system to make it fit for your particular business and for yourself. But this is a good way to kind of have campaigns already created for you, so you have a shell created, and then you can kind of go from there. So this is a Clickbank product, and they do have a 2-week trial. So I believe it's $10 for the first 2 weeks before you pay your $47. So you can definitely go in here and just give it a shot. If you don't like it for any reason, or you just think it's not for you, you can just cancel at any time, and you'll never bill the $47. So this is just something that you can literally get in, get your system set up, and you try it out. And if you don't like it, you can definitely cancel it out. So I hope that I answered all the questions for you guys that I've been getting. If you have any additional questions, you can go ahead and leave those questions in the comment section. And I'll actually leave a link in the description of the 12-minute affiliate program, so you can actually get more information about the program, or if you're ready to get started, you can go ahead and access the program from that link in the description. So this is John from JohnMcNeil.com. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we will see you guys in the next video. Peace.